Scott Grove here. I got another tip for you for veneering. If you ever use a coal and you're doing, say, a curved surface and you want to sort of press that coal on a curved surface, trying to match that curve exactly, is a challenge. You could do it, but there's always going to be a little wiggle, especially if you have some wiggle board that wiggles. So what I like to use is use a piece of rubber on there, so when you compress it, the rubber is stiff enough where it will press the veneer in, especially if it wants to bubble or something. Maybe you put too much glue, but not too stiff, but it'll take up the difference. Anyhow, what type of rubber do you get? Well, I finally went out and bought all different thicknesses and all different durometers. Durometers is the density of the rubber, how much it squishes. And the answer is 1/8 inch with a 40 durometer rubber. That seems to me, in my opinion, no scientific, just by feel of thumb and some testing, seems to be the right type of rubber you want to get. You could go thicker. So 1/8 inch rubber, 1/4 inch or 40 durometer, that will then clamp on. It will give, if your form's off even a 1/16 of an inch, it'll make up that difference, and you can clamp a veneer or veneer seam on. Works great. And look for another video how to do compound curves this way. I'll show how I did that in another video. And I got this from Web Seal Inc. I'll put a link below to them, but any rubber supply will work. So there you go. So that's the research tip of the day. Enjoy. Happy veneering.